Are you tired of having every Instagram live automatically saved to your archive? Maybe you simply want your live streams to disappear as soon as they end, leaving no extra trace. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily disable the option to save live videos to your archive and keep full control over your content. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my new tutorials. So let's jump right in. First, find the Instagram app and open it. Log into your profile if you haven't already. Once you're in the app, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. When you're on your profile page, the next step is to tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings page. In the settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Archiving and Downloading. Tap on it. On the Archiving and Downloading page, you'll see several options. Under the Saving to Archive section, you'll notice an option called Save Live to Archive. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. Once you've disabled saving live videos to your archive, every future live stream will only be available while it's happening, without being saved to your profile afterward. This way, you have complete control. As soon as the live ends, the video disappears with no trace left behind. Perfect if you prefer your live videos to be temporary, spontaneous, and without a permanent record. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.